Hello guys, myself Rutuja Nirwan and welcome to my YouTube channel Rutuja Ki Pathshala. So we have started our journey from the field of data science and artificial intelligence. Then we have seen what are the important softwares needed if you want to transform your career into the field of data science and artificial intelligence. Then from that bunch of softwares we will be starting with the SQL software. Then we have seen that what is the SQL software, why we should learn SQL software, and what are the important designations in the corporate world where you will need the SQL software. Very rapidly it is going to give you the answers and all. Guys, if you have not seen my previous lecture, please go to my channel and see my previous lecture. You will definitely get what I am trying to say right now. Now today we are going to see the installation process for the SQL. Once the software get installed into your system, then it will be very easy for you guys to learn the SQL software and what are the commands and everything. Okay. Now today we are going to see the installation of the SQL software. So have a look into this, guys. So for that you need to open your Google Chrome browser. Okay. Then you need to type, that is Microsoft SQL Server Download. See this one. This option you need to type. Now after that you need to go to this link, that is SQL Server Download Microsoft. Okay. Now when you will go to this, you will this web page will be in front of you. So here it is written, try SQL Server on premises in the cloud. Now these services are chargeable. If your company is charging this, then you will definitely get into your company this type of you will get here this type of software into this form. But as we are in the process of learning the software, that is SQL, that is structured query language software. So there for us we have the two options, that is free option. Okay, free specialized edition is there, that is an express one and developer one. Okay, so from these two options we are going to download that developer one. Once we download this developer one, your file get downloaded into your download system, into your download folder into your system. So you should click on this download now. Then after that, after downloading, you will get this browser in front of you, that is developer edition, and there you will get the three options, that is basic, custom and download media. From this you need to select the custom option. Okay. Then after that you will get the option of developer edition, that media location, that where you want to install your software. So by default it is taking the C drive, but if you want to download it in your different drive, that D drive or E drive, then you can select the location from here by clicking on the browse button, or else you need to click on the next button. Okay. Then after this it will get start, and it will take some time, guys, for the installing packages, because it is having a very big packages with it. So it will take some time, and it will depend on your internet speed as well. This will take a little time. Okay. Now after this downloading this, you will get that your developer edition is downloaded successfully. Okay, and you will get this message that your SQL Server installation will begin shortly. Then after this you will get this message that please wait while Microsoft SQL setups process the current operation. Then after this you will get this web page, that is and web page will be having the heading of SQL Server Installation Center. Okay. Now from these options you need to click on installation. Okay, just click on installation. After clicking on installation, there are many options available. From that you need to click on new SQL Server standalone installation. We need to install this one, so you need to click on this. After clicking on that, you will get this dialog box in front of you, that please wait while the micro, and this friends, listen to me carefully, that this process will take a little time, so have a patience with you. And while doing this process, your internet speed should be up to date, and your system should be charged enough, and you should have the enough RAM into your system, and space as well as into the system. Okay, so here you will get the dialog box. Then after that you will get one more dialog box, that it will be that this process will be in the running process. This you will get, that rule check in progress, all these things we will get. Then it will getting installed, Then this, whenever you are getting after this process, you will get this dialog box, that is install rules. And don't guys, don't do any kind of changes into the status as well or here anything. Keep these things as it is and just proceed further. Okay, so after this you need to click on next button. After clicking on next button, you will be seeing that perform a new installation of SQL Server 2022. You can see these two options here in front of me, because in my system already the MySQL Server is downloaded and I have given the instance name 2 times. That's why you can see here 2 names. But as you are installing it for the first time, or you want to install it freshly again into your system, now you need to click on the option for perform a new installation SQL Server new 2022. Okay, and then click on next. After clicking on next, they will be asking you again this question that specify free edition. There were 2 options as you have seen earlier, that is developer and espresso. So you will need to click on developer option. Then you need to click on the license. I accept the license terms, because until and unless you don't tick up this dialog box, you will not be able to proceed further. Then you need to click on next. After clicking on next, this dialog box will be appeared in front of you. They will be showing that Azure extension for SQL Server. Now guys, if you want your Azure extension with your SQL Server, then tick this option. If you don't want, I will suggest you guys that right now at the beginning level, being a beginner in the SQL Server or being an intermediate into the SQL Server, you don't need Azure extension right now. So untick this box. If you are clicking this box, then might you face some kind of difficulties here, but it will be resolved in very easy manner. Okay, so just untick this box and click on next option. After clicking on next option, there it will ask that feature selection, that what you want from this. So we want database engine services. So you need to click on this instance feature. Inside that you need to click on database engine services. So you need to click on this text box and then click on next. And also I want to tell you that here instance root directory, here it is by default taking the C drive, but if you want your thing into the another drive, then you can just click on this 3 dotted option and you will get it. Okay, then after that it will be asking you the instance configuration after feature rules. So you need to give the name of your instance as you want to give. See, I have given my SQL Server or Sparta. You can give here, that is SQL1 as I have given here. Okay, and once you write here and you just click here one button, then you will get this option as well, and then you need to click on next. Then it will be showing this please wait. Okay, it will require few minutes. You need to have the patience with you, and then it will be proceeding further soon. Please wait. Then after that you will get the option of this one, that is server configuration. If you notice guys, it is taking you one by the other option, that it has done this. This software is taking you by one option here. Okay, now this is completed. Now it has taken you to server configuration. So here it is already there. You don't need to do anything here. Okay guys, and just click on next. Don't tick this box and anything else. Okay, after that you will get the option of database engine configuration. So there are the 2 types of authentication mode, Windows authentication mode and mixed mode. Okay, now here I have clicked the option for the mixed mode. If you want the Windows authentication mode, you can click on it, but the easiest way to proceed further is the mixed mode, that is SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication. Both are mixed into it, that is why mixed mode it is written here. Now after you click on mixed mode, then you need to give here the password, and you need to remember this password, because when you are installed fully SQL Server, at that time it will ask you for the password, and then you can proceed further. And if you don't remember the password, there is a big process behind that. So please guys, remember this password and keep this password very easy. Okay, as whatever you want to give it, but keep it in your mind or write it somewhere in the preserved place, so that you will be remembering it. Now after giving this password, do confirm password as well. Now here guys, you need to add your current user by clicking on this button. Whatever the user you are using, which whatever the name of the system, whatever the system name is there at your end, it will be reflecting here. Okay. Now after that you need to click on next. After that you will get this dialog box that is ready to install, and finally this dialog box is came. But guys, after this giving password and all these things, it will take some time to give you this dialog box. So please have a patience when you are doing this process. Now click on install here. Okay. After clicking on install, it will take some time. It will scanning and normalizing SQL Server. Okay, it will take many things. It will be scanning and it will take many things. Then after long time, when I was doing this, it took me very long time. So might you also might at your end it will take long time. So please have patience while doing this process. Now after doing this, you will get this one. Okay, now finally it is written that installed successfully. Okay, and the database engine services and status is succeeded. Okay, now you need to close it. Okay, after up till now we have done the installation of new SQL Server standalone installation. Okay, now with this you need to install SQL Server Management Tools, because by installing this you will be connecting it with the database and easily it will help you to do your work. Okay, so you need to install this SQL Server Management Tools, because as we are at the very beginning level, so we need to install this with us. Then after this it will redirect you to the web page, and there at the web page you will have the option of download SSMS, as you can see on the screen. Now below that you can see this option that download SQL Server Management Studio, and it will be the latest version. So you just need to click on this, then it will be downloading, and it will take some time guys, because when I was doing it at that time also it was taking some time. So please have little patience regarding it. Then after once it gets installed, it will give you this dialog box. You need to click on run. Then after running, it will ask you that what is the location for that. Are you comfortable with this location? If you're not comfortable, you need to change by clicking on this button. You need to change, and you can select your drive, and you need to click on install button. After clicking on install button, it will take some time. It will loading packages, which please wait, and after packaging progresses, overall progress. Then after complete, it will take this time. It will take this its whole line will get blue in color, both lines, and once it is done, now it will give you. At my end it asks me to restart in order to complete the setup. At your end might be it will not ask you to restart, it will directly give you to the MS SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, but at my end it was asked that we need to restart. So I restart my PC. Then after all the process completing, just go to your search bar and type there SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, type here SQL. Try to find that, and once you have done this, you need to click on this button. Once you click on this button, so it will take some time guys. You need to be patient, it will take some time. See, now this dialog box will get appeared, that is Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. This dialog box will get appeared, and it will take some time to open it. Okay, so it has opened. So guys, when you are after opening this, after it get open, it will give you this connect to server, and for that it will ask you the password. Now this password is that password which we have given while the installation process, that is mixed mode authentication mode. In that we have asked for the mixed mode. There we have given the password. That same password you need to write here. As I know, as I can remember my password, you need to write it here and then connect. Okay. After clicking on this, it will take some time. Okay, see, it is showing you the your system name as we have add the user there. Okay, now this is the dialog box. Now here you need to click on the database. Now here it is connected. Now if you write, now after this you can write your any kind of new query, and after clicking on this it will give you one page, web page. Okay, and then here you can write any kind of query. Here you can create the database and many other things are there. We are going to see in the further videos. So guys, stay updated, and thank you so much guys for watching me. So this is the complete installation process of the SQL. If you are facing any kind of problem while installing the SQL Server, please comment me in the write down in the comment section and comment me. I will definitely help you. I will look into it. Okay. So this is the complete installation process we have seen today, and thank you so much guys for watching me. And please, if you like my video, if you want any kind of improvement into my video, please write down into the comment section and like my video, subscribe my video, as well as share my video. And in the further video we are going to see that what are the special commands we are going to see what are the special commands needed in the SQL Server for doing various kind of things. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching me, and have a nice day.